Friends, I am Lalit Sharma from SM Sehgal Foundation. It was really pleasure working with Center for Youth Water Championship Fellowship Program. I worked with a fellow Apurva, and she worked on rainwater harvesting system for a school, and she really did good work, developed a innovative filtration system and the complete rainwater harvesting system. She also worked in studying the pollution of a river in Nagpur city, and how this polluted river can be revived, how people have made efforts, and still some efforts are going on, and we need to work on these rivers to revive this. And I wish you all a very happy career. Thank you.